Hello, today we're going to learn how to use VLookUp function to retrieve data from a specific column in a table. VLookUp is an Excel function to look up and retrieve data from a specific column in a table, range of cells. This function has three arguments. Number 1, lookup value, value being used to search. A, the column, first one must have the values sorted in ascending order. B, it looks in the first column of a table and moves across the row to return the value in the cell intersection. Number 2, lookup table, range of cells. 3, the column index number is the number of the column in which the value that you want to retrieve is located. When you use VLookUp, you use a range of cells. So let's take a look at the formula VLookUp bracket 45 C5 to F8, comma 3 closing bracket. In the first column is the column C. Let's take a look at all the values in the column C. The value 10 in the cell C5 includes the values 10 to 19. The value 20 in the cell C6 includes the values 20 to 34. The value 35 in the cell C7 includes the values 35 to 55. And finally, the value 56 in the cell C8 includes the values from 56 to infinity. Based on that, the number 45 is in the cell C7, where the 35 is located. Furthermore, Excel will move to the third column and return the value 24. Let's do a hands-on exercise to better understand how VLookUp works. We're going to use VLookUp to determine the discount percentage for each product based on the discount category. The lookup value is in the cell C4. We're going to take this value to the discount table in the range H4 to J8, and the column index number is 2 because the table has only 2 columns. We're going to enter a VLookUp formula in the cell E4 and click in that cell. Enter the equal sign and type VL. The software displays VLookUp automatically. Double-click on it to use VLookUp on that cell. Click the cell C4 and enter a comma. Then highlight the range H4 to J8. Press the F4 key in your keyboard to convert the relative table into an absolute table and enter a comma. Enter the number 2 as the column index number because the discount percentage is in the second column of the table. Remember to enter a closing bracket. Next, enter the multiplication sign and click in the cell D4, which is where the price of the first product is located. Then select the check mark to obtain the discount for this product. Now, place the mouse over the fill handle in the cell E4. When the mouse changes to a black cross, double-click to copy the formula from E4 to E21. Click in the cell F4 where we are going to calculate the net price. Enter the equal sign, click in the cell D4, enter the subtraction sign, click in the cell E4, and then click the check mark to obtain the net price. Now place the mouse over the fill handle in the cell F4. When the mouse changes to a black cross, double-click to copy the formula from F4 to F21. That's all for today. Hasta la vista.